What is up, guys, and welcome back to the DocMack car channel. This is my 2011 Toyota Camry Sport Edition, which I purchased via an auction for only 10% of the original MSRP. So the original MSRP was $30,000 and I only paid $2,500. Make sure to check out the video in the description below. There'll be a link to that video. Today we're going to change the engine air filter in my 2AZFE engine. It's a 2.4 liter engine. For those of you with the 2.5 liter 2ARFE engine, please take a look at the link up here. For those of you with the 2GRFE 3.5 liter engine, take a look at the link up here. For those of you who are new to my channel and do not know what my channel is about, let me give you a quick brief description on what my channel is about. So I basically do a lot of car how-to videos, including how to maintain your vehicle, keep it in good mechanical condition, as well as the good aesthetic condition with the new car care products out in the market. So make sure to subscribe, and your subscription will keep this channel alive. For those of you who have been the continuous subscribers to my channel and have always been watching my channel, thank you so much for the love and support. So without further ado, we are going to get into changing the engine air filter. Alright guys, so the first thing you will need is you will need a ratchet, which is this one, and then you'll need an extension, which is this, and you'll need to hook the ratchet to the extension, and this is your 10mm socket, and then you just need to hook that one in there. So what you're going to do is you're going to set it to loosen. Alright guys, so to remove the engine air filter, you will need to remove this screw right here, remove that screw right there where I'm pointing, and you'll need to loosen this bit right here, this screw where I'm pointing. Alright, so when you loosen the screw, this hose clamp will loosen a bit, giving you a little more playroom to work with so that you can pull this box. So I'm just going to start that right now. Right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this bolt. You can hand loosen it now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this bolt right here. This screw needs to be loosened. Fantastic. Now what we're going to do is we are going to pull the airbox apart. The first thing to note is this clip here, and there's a clip right near the pipe here, so you'll need to know there's two hinges right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the box up first and then pull. So I'm going to give you a better view angle. So I'm going to pull up first like this and then pull out. And then now you have got your engine air filter right here. So I'm going to show you now right here. Alright, so you can pull the box up and that is your engine air filter. Alright, so you guys will know that it's only got one right hand angle corner, which is on the top left. So when you replace your filter, you've got to put it in the same orientation. I am going to change this engine air filter, but for just the sake of this video, I'm doing this for you guys. So I'm just going to fit it back the same way. The whole purpose of this video is just so that you know how you can replace your engine air filter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it into the correct orientation, like so. Then I'm going to stick it in like that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to line it up properly first. make sure you line everything up. That's one of the most crucial parts of this one, that you cannot have things just flying out. You see, this has got to be flush. Then what you need to do is you'll need to tip the box this way and find the other hinge as well on the back, and then put the box down like so. So you can see with this hinge here, I had actually put the box in a 45-degree angle, hinged it first, and then pushed it down. All right, so it's all hinged up properly, and now I'm going to tighten it. Don't fully tighten it first, you just want to tighten it just about there. And then you'll want to tighten the one at the back. I don't need to show you the one at the back, you already know where that is. Alright, so now what you need to do is you will need to make sure that this little hinge here is properly seated in. So you need to push the airbox, make sure it's properly seated in, and then you tighten this bit. Okay, don't overly tighten it, just tighten it to be strong enough so that the clamp doesn't come off. Okay, that is it. Congratulations guys, you have successfully changed your engine air filter. If you had done this at the dealership, it would have cost you 90 bucks, but for $20 you can do it yourself. So make sure to subscribe to my car videos and to turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified when I post new videos. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.